Hi friends, welcome to HBMS World. Today we are going to analyze the next Nifty 50 share, Kotak Bank. So before than that, let me revisit JSW Steel, which we have analyzed yesterday. So I am going into the daily frame and let me reset the chart. And as I told you, this is following the support and resistance. So see 637 and upper side it's trying to touch 649. So I told you if it goes above it will try to touch 649. So the targets seems to be little bit high. It will trying to go to till resistance, so very high chances it will go above. So but today now we are going to analyze Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank is one of the bank nifty and nifty 50 stock. uh, Today it closes around 1964 rupees 25 paisa, sorry, and 10 rupees 90 paisa profit today. Along with that 0.556% rise. So my analysis always started from monthly to weekly to daily to hourly chart patterns, and my analysis always revolves around price action, support resistance, and along with that if we are able to see any chart patterns. So let's start. Kotak Bank started around 2004. So its highest resistance is, like you can say, 2257. Second highest resistance 2129. This is one of the major resistance. This particular point, you can say this point, you can say 2033 or 2044 approx this point. Support is at down level around 1937, so it is bouncing back from the support. Second support, major support, is around 1745, and one more support which I am able to see is around 1825. So guys, these all are the horizontal lines which are acting as a support and resistance, and we try to find it from the prices only, from the candlestick chart pattern. Let's go to the weekly part. In weekly, guys, if you are able to see this, yes guys, this is one of the trend line. So this act as a dynamic support. Keep looking this line, and along with that, major in last 5 to 6 weeks, one big red candle, second, third, fourth red candle. uh, so daily one. So guys, in daily chart pattern we don't have any major uh, one. This trend line is there. I am trying trend line in both hourly, weekly and daily, so which one we follow. So when we reanalyze the charts, we are able to track the lines also, and we'll able to see how much movement come. And in a hourly one, guys, we are able to see no major pattern I am able to see. But in a daily one, I will show you one thing. This is a dividend giving stock. So dividend last time it provided 0.90 paisa. But for long term investment, if you can see, these type of stocks which are giving dividends will be good for your portfolios also. So also one more thing, our channel is for educational purpose only. We are not recommending any stock. We are just analyzing it on the basis of the trend analysis and price actions. And if you want to purchase or go ahead with any stock, do take an advice from your financial advisors, because I am not a SEBI registered person, and I have started this channel for education purpose only. But do take advices from SEBI registered professionals. That will be very fruitful to you. And do share my channel with other folks also who are trading in stock market, and do let me know your views regarding my channels, what things I need to add, what all stocks you want I should analyze, because right now I'm targeting nifty 50 charts only. but we'll have a plan to analyze more charts, and whatever the charts which we have analyzed previously from A till you can say J, we will keep analyzing these charts during weekends, and we'll share a video with you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.